Should we film? Should we film?
Film what?
Film a video. What else?
For what?
For memories.
For memories.
Say hello. Hi. We got a haircut.
Yeah.
And we're in a vehicle. Whoa. I did not mean to intrude that on that man's privacy, but yeah.
Just focus.
Yes, let's focus on us. We are beautiful. We're going to go to, what's the name of the restaurant? I know it's hotpot, but like, we're gonna... Oh, you don't know the restaurant? I have to ask Keith over there. Yeah, okay, ask Keith.
Keith's voice can be
Very exuberant guy. So you never find like a professor like Angela anywhere, cause so like I just did like a 1-minute presentation while everyone else did like a 15-minute presentation. I literally just said 5 words for every slide, and there were like 7 slides. And you know what she said? For context, like for every other person on the Zoom meeting, and she was like, major comment, technical comment, and then like she goes on for 5 minutes to comment, and then like when I like 1-minute presentation, she was like, okay. I mean, like, you're learning, that's what the main goal is. Bye bye, you can leave now. And then
Maybe you're good.
maybe I didn't think of it that way, but
Maybe,
Aw.
or maybe she doesn't have any suggestions yet.
Yet. Oh yeah, she did tell me to like put the slides in Slack after the presentation. That may be it. Oh man, that's an interesting perspective. Okay. We just lighted the bus. So do you know where the restaurant is?
No.
Yeah, me neither. So this is the restaurant.
Okay, I'll take a video.
It could be like a 5 Michelin star restaurant. What the hell?
It's not. It's nothing.
It looks like it.
No.
And I think the price is like it.
Not really. It's okay, 168. All you can eat.
You're lying.
What?
168 all you can eat?
You think I'm lying?
I think you're lying.
Wait, let's have a bet.
I'm not gonna bet.
If you're wrong, then you pay my.
If I'm wrong, you pay me. If you're wrong, you pay me. That's my bet. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm good at betting.
You choose a soup. So there are 6. This is spicy. And then these 2 are sweet, so if you like to have vegetables, then you can absorb the soup. It's very good.
You can absorb the soup.
Yeah, the vegetable, not me. The vegetable. Okay, you want this one? What about you guys? So this is collagen.
I want the kombu.
Yes. Kangaroo. Okay.
Kombu is seaweed. It's the origin of MSG. It's the first thing they used to discover MSG.
I'll go with
Mala. Okay. I'll try this one.
We can
Wait.
share.
Yeah. Yeah, we can dig into each other.
We can dig into each other.
Deep.
Oh, dip into.
Not.
We
Yeah.
can dip into each other.
Oh my god. It's not me.
Sao hei siu te nani? What is it? Sao hei. Where is it? Sao hei siu. Sao hei siu. I don't know. Sukiyaki. That literally says nama tamago. Suki. It is. There is fresh egg attached to the sukiyaki. But so this is how you read this thing. I have this problem with the Peduli Lindungi here. It's like it's unfixable. No, it's not unfixable. I'm just too lazy to go to the freaking post office to fix it.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, induction cooker. Hello. So if the ladies was just nice. If I go to a place where the lady is not nice.
You recording me?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I will be on your YouTube channel.
No.
Yeah, you'll be famous.
Oh my god.
This is the time of your life. You get royalty.
You're not gonna be famous.
Introduce yourself there.
Hi. Oh, I don't know. They'll turn it away from me.
Konnichiwa. So the lighting here is superb. You can see the vegetables in their best light, literally, because it's light. And we have some nudes here. Some oyster mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms. Some, yeah. I don't know what this is. These are salmon balls, udon. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa! It's sewer water. Yo. So I have me here, the leaning tower of. It's not a tower. It's fat. Here, soy. Soy boy. Let's get some soy, boys. Let's add to the soy sauce. I don't think I'm supposed to use this. So I just realized that there exists something called a plate.
Oh my god, can you take this for me because
Sure.
I forgot. I think this is new.
This looks like worms.
No, it's not. It's some very special one.
Okay. How much do you want?
Oh, that's enough. Too much work. Okay. Yeah. And then if you can get the, you don't need to take that much now, but this is for the beverage.
Ah,
That's the beverage over there.
beverage.
Yeah. And then the dessert.
And there's smack.
And then the ice cream.
Yeah.
In the middle.
You know, your boy's gotta get himself some rice. Because I'm Asian. No, just because you're Asian doesn't mean you can like rice. Not can. Doesn't mean you like rice. That's a stereotype, guys. Stereotypes are bad. At least acting on the stereotypes are bad. Or making fun of people based on stereotypes are bad. Yesterday I was broke and today I'm still broke except we're in a restaurant. That's the only thing that changed.
No, it's fine.
That's beef. It looks like worms.
What looks like what?
You.
Sign.
Yes.
Who resigned?
All of it's like secretaries of state.
Yes.
The USA?
No, in the UK.
Oh.
What?
Donald Trump?
The financial secretary has resigned. That thing. And then the other one, like the home secretary, resigned as well. Yeah, and then before the other.
I'm good at chopstick, guys.
So the only way he
Don't take one
has
chopstick.
to resign.
So why did they start resigning?
I think not very. They don't like Boris Johnson because of many incidents.
Uncle Roger.
Scandals, so
Like personal,
Hit
right?
me up.
Like the party.
the party, and then one of the deputy whip of the party was found.
But you gotta eat chicken for the
I'm a
day.
grass eater. I'm a cow.
Best teacher ever.
You're a teacher?
Sort of. I think I learned by teaching myself.
Oh, you look. Oh, so why did you ask me when I said my teaching method, my learning method then?
Oh, just want to
Oh God.
give you some scenario.
Some scenario?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I lost all my soy sauce already.
I just made a mess.
Oh my god. He started to have abs.
Ketosis is like
He has abs?
ketogenic diet.
I mean, ketogenic diet.
Yeah.
And he started to have.
So I'm cooking some birch wood here, guys.
Beer bag.
Minecraft. We have here some Grinch sticks. The Grinch can't steal Christmas anymore. Steal Christmas.
Forgot there as of a day.
I have some take mushrooms.
Oh, I forgot to take carrots.
You want a carrot? I have a carrot right here. You can be a bunny.
Are you
Yeah.
gonna eat it?
No.
Why?
Carrots suck.
No.
I like steak more.
Then you are hurting the environment.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat with one chopstick.
How to do this, do it properly. You don't actually injure.
A lot of support for your knees.
Badminton kills your knees.
Even running.
Especially running. More than running. But I didn't know that badminton is hurting my knees as well.
I mean, knees are very fragile, you know. But if you're in the water provides the support. And like pushing against the water is also like burning.
Depends if you play.
But knees are.
So this is the point in the video where everything basically goes downhill and I mix a bunch of food together. Rest assured, I did finish all of it, so don't worry, I did not waste any food. Thank you.
Not targeting enough.
But I want to watch my knees by playing my console.
I feel like there was a YouTube video about this. Where's the side parts of the human body?
Oh my god, you must
Oh,
be
you got the
Yeah.
And they're like preparing
So there's a problem. The marshmallow isn't kind of like... I don't have a spoon and I cannot eat the marshmallow more than like 5 at a time.
Yeah. But sometimes for back, you can just come and play along with the character. It's like more like pick up games.
Yeah, actually go to you last night if you want to play badminton. Like during the Bible book. You know how to play badminton? They will tell you whether the tone is right. Just to correct the tone. It's called lingo. L-I-N-G. L-I-N-G. Ling.
Lingo.
Ling. To learn the technique.
Ling? Like Ling?
L-I-N-G.
Ling.
Ling.
Ling, the person who... Do you know the Ling joke?
Who is that?
The violin player.
Yeah, the Ling violin.
Violin.
Yeah, two set violin.
It's like
Yeah. Ling, the ultimate Chad.
you get like Ling challenge.
Yogurt ice cream? Frozen yogurt?
and
Soy?
ice cream.
Wait,
Actually, I don't
there's
like
two.
ice cream, but now I've tried.
Oh, I see.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Why you don't have a wok?
I think
The good waiters just gave us some vanilla
people here, they think.
mochi ice cream. Like that looks like a bath bomb.
It's not mochi, I'm disappointed.
Ice cream.
Wait, it is not mochi.
I am disappointed.
They say
Because it looks like mochi ice cream, Dana.
Like feels like a ball. I am so disappointed.
Yeah, out of all the balls I've tasted before. Out of all the... This is radiating true Asian energy, guys. Eating ice cream with a chopstick. So from that point on, guys, I went home, I had a minor mental breakdown, and here I am at 2:09 a.m. editing a freaking video. Ah!